Ngithi makhamba kahle la e-studio.
Okay, mfana siyabonga, khambe kahle kakhulu.
Okay ma, hayi siyabonga.
Yeah, good luck boy. Lonke.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Siyabonga.
Okay, ngiyathanda okay.
Bye Gogo. You take B from me.
Okay.
From the piano. Boom. And it's longer and it's not short. It's not in the duration.
Okay, seems cool.
So he plays the entire form like we're doing.
Sure.
He plays just except we're shortening the B for the solos. It's just like two
Two times now,
yeah, which is great.
Okay.
Then piano solo after him.
Sure.
Then the B will be stretched for your solo. You blow on the B. And then after that we're just gonna move to swing.
Okay, sure.
What we can also do is we go from the B, bam, 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 bam. You keep going until we go bam, bam, ba-dam, bam. Play the theme a couple of times.
Sure.
You blow a bit, and then when we start swinging, that's where.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I got to learn
Yeah. Bam,
tail,
bam,
yeah.
ba-dam, bam. We give you a tail, bam, ba-dam, down 4 times. Bam, bam, ba-dam, down.
Okay, sure.
And we go.
Sure.
So then after his solo, then we'll go back bam, bam, ba-dam, bam, and just play the head.
Okay, with the bridge.
With the bridge, I'm thinking, and just end on the bridge, where maybe it's a collective improvisation.
So the swing section and cue the beat.
Yeah, you cue
Cue the beat, right?
Yeah.
And
then after that,
then-
we'll play the riff again.
Okay.
4 times, and then we play this.
At the very top.
Yeah,
Okay.
and at the bridge you start like doing a collective improvisation after
Okay.
playing. Ba-da-da. It develops to something. Ba-ba-ba-da-dang, dang, dang, bang, bang. Then we have a definite. I'm also like for the idea of dissolving genres. I think gender was brought by the colonizer trying to understand their people. The compartments were necessary for them, but not for us.
Peter,
You can speak about this race that but it's the same people that you're talking about. And then also the untold tongues, I like that. So if you can incorporate that, because like what we're lacking is a language. So like these untold tongues, you can play with that idea. And the idea of exile. Just those two.
I'll put it together.
Okay, you put it together.
Just need to do it a few times.
Bakhona emazulwini, bakhona nangaphansi kwemfula, bakhona emoyeni, bakhona nangaphansi komhlaba. I wish I had that mic to just do these things now as well. Bakhona ngaphansi kwamanzi, bakhona nasezintabeni,
singing songs of love. shallow breathing
Yeah, you can take it.
Wow. Yo.
Bakhona ezinhlizweni zethu. Bakhona emaphusheni. When I did share like we actually Kalisa because this is a code to a very ancient time, this game. So it's not a scale, but it's a code to an ancient time. That if you can go too deep, you might not come back even. It might be the last thing you sing in your life. So what if that world opens? Because that's what we're constantly trying to. What if that world eventually opens? Will there be a need to sing? Will there be a need to play? There won't be. So I'm always willing to really let go and not come back. We joke about it, but someday we'll be on the bandstand and we'll play and we'll be gone. The audience will be sitting there watching and there will be no one on the bandstand. That's it. Because the other realm is just here, it's not far. The other realms are not far.